Bonjour les amis, do you want to woo your Valentine and you're just not sure where to go for Valentine's Day and what to say to them? I'm Llyane Stanfield and you are watching French Valentine with Llyane, where between February the 1st and February the 14th, I share with you the best spots in Paris where you can bring your Valentine, as well as the best ways to express your love in French, so that you add that romantic, chic touch to the Valentine's Day. So today is day number 10, and I have a big announcement to make. Tomorrow, February the 11th, and on February the 14th, the day, Valentine's Day, I am going to have a two-part webinar that is called Tell Your Love in French, and which comes with a bonus that it's called Your Valentines in Two, and Your French Valentines in Two. So in these webinars, I am sharing with you all of the declarations of love in French. They can say in French the way to say them, the terms of endearment in French, everything you need to know, and the top hotspots in Paris for Valentine's this year and this year only. And so even if you can't make it, please go ahead and register. The link is in the description of this video, because if you are registered, I will know to send you the link to the replay of this video, the PDF transcript, as well as a download video. So you will be able to download all these expressions and declarations of love, so that you can practice them on your own, at your own convenience, before the big day. So again, these videos don't stay on Facebook, they do expire. So if you register to the webinar, then I'm going to know to send you the link to the playlist, so you can watch and rewatch again these videos to prepare for the V-Day. And so today I would like to share with you or to suggest a hot spot that is literally happening, or would be the hottest spot for this year, because Alain Ducasse opens this restaurant with this occasion on the same Valentine's Day, and it's called Auray, le restaurant d'Alain Ducasse au Château de Versailles. So the restaurant is in the castle Versailles, and it's open. It's opening only the day of Valentine's. So if you would like to literally sweep off their feet your Valentine, then this is the place to go on the V-Day. And what you can say to them, you can say, je brûle d'amour. Je brûle d'amour. I burn with love. The way to pronounce, I'm going to share with you the rules of pronunciation. So, for this particular declaration of love, so that you know exactly how to say it, so that it would sound very French and very romantic that day, are the following. For je, the final E is pronounced E, because it doesn't have an accent on it. Brûle, U, so you in French is pronounced U, and even if it has an accent, it doesn't change the pronunciation. So brûle. And the same rule of pronunciation with final E is not pronounced E, because it doesn't have an accent. So it's brûle. D'amour. OU in French is a rule of pronunciation, is pronounced oo, and the final R here is pronounced, so it's one of the exceptions to the rule of thumb that I've been sharing before, which says that the final consonant is silent. Je brûle d'amour. This is a very, very, very hot declaration of love. So if you choose to say this one you're gonna have quite a response. So don't forget, these videos don't stay on Facebook. They do expire. And if you'd like to have the playlist of all the 14 videos, please register to the webinar, and you'll also have all the declarations of love that you need to woo your Valentine, also terms of endearment to sprinkle in your life even after Valentine's Day, of course, and the hottest spots for Valentine's Day for this particular year. Immerse yourself in Parisian French and reach your dream to finally become fluent. And let's, even if you don't necessarily speak fluently French until the 14th of February, let's make it so this V-Day to be immersed in French romance. I'll see you tomorrow and hopefully in the webinar. Merci beaucoup et à demain. Au revoir.